Ready? You shooting already? Alright guys, this has been a highly anticipated video. I'm finally gonna get the chance to do my bike check. It's halfway complete, but I'm just missing the seat posts. And other than that, I don't know, let's check out what I got. So let's start off on the frame set. We got a Skream Magnum 22, size medium, color purple, and I swapped out the carbon fork for a steel leader V2 fork. I got some Spanx laced with some Mental BMX hubs. And for crank set wise, I chose Omniums. Shout out to Skream, sending me those out. Little gold details, wolf tooth. chainring bolts, laced with some plastic pedals, wheel cycling straps, Izumi, regular Izumi chain with a half link so I can make the wheelbase a bit shorter. Full altered drivetrain, altered 18 tooth cog, 49 tooth altered chainring with a pink lock ring. Rims held on by some black A-frame chrome domes. Tire choice was capable of finding these 35C black resist front and back. Now as for the cockpit, my favorite part of the bike, we got some NVRSR handlebars, mix match grips, little golden detail right there, NV MTB stem, little Master Co top cap, and then we got shoutout OFC. That sticker matches my bike. First sticker on the bike, by the way, too. So shout out to them. Then we got a zip seat post. Need to swap it out for an NV, match the cockpit as well. And then probably one of my favorite saddles is Origin 8 Quantum saddle. Has a little bit of purple paint on it. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike video. Let's check the bounce test. Nice. So I think we'll just wrap up the video by doing some tricks on this amazing, beautiful bike. Shout out to my sponsor, Skream, Alter, La Carrera, you know, 8 lives left, putting me on the team. Super grateful. And I don't know, I was finally able to get this video done. It's been around 3 months, but we coming back, more content coming soon. Make sure to follow my Instagram at WavyBaby. You already know.